Well, good morning guys. Today I'm at the greenhouse and I'm going to talk to you guys about how to grow your stuff in your greenhouse and just a bit of an update as well on what's going on in the greenhouse. But before I jump into that, I just want to let you guys know that I've got some affiliate links from Amazon down in my description box. If you're interested in the products that I use, feel free to use the links, and even if you're buying off Amazon, use my links. I get a small commission. Helps me out to put my money back into my growing and get some more camera gear to make some better videos for you guys. So let's get right into this. So this is the greenhouse I built 3 years ago with my uncle. Third season using it. I'll post at the end of the video or in a card at the top there a link on how we built it and all the good stuff about that. So we'll hop inside and I'll show you what we've got going in there. So right now I've got a bunch of my garlic drying off. I actually need to clean it up. Did 500 bulbs this year, or 550. So I'm pretty excited with that. And then as well, we've got my little solar fans. I got the solar panel hooked up. I'll show you the solar panel in a few minutes here. But we're gonna get right into the greenhouse here and show you what we have. So I've got my tomatoes here. They're not as big as I was hoping they were gonna get, but they're starting to ripen up nicely. And we got, some of these are just cherry tomatoes. I think one variety is called Sweetie, the other is called Gold Nugget, and I think these ones here, they're a vintage wine that's called. They got really cool stripes on them. First time growing them this year. They're heirloom tomato. We'll see how they taste and size up. And I've got my basil as well here. Some more basil. Got some peppers. This one's not doing so well. This one's got lots of peppers down here. So lots of peppers here. And some more tomatoes. Bunch of fun stuff. So one thing guys I want to tell you about the greenhouse growing is that because I'm doing them all in pots, what happens is after time the nutrients kind of leak out of your pots and your soil and you're not getting nutrients to your plants. And what you need to do is probably amend them with some kind of fertilizer, like a nice kelp fertilizer, organic kelp fertilizer, or organic fish fertilizer, just to put the nutrients back in. I haven't done that yet this year, but I brought some stuff over. I'm going to hit them each with some stuff to help them get the nutrients back in. And then as well, I'm going to plant some of my pepper plants outside into beds. I just find that they grow better outside than they do in the pots in the greenhouse. So now that they've got some peppers on and starting to grow well, I'm going to see how much better I can get them going outside. So yeah, that's one of the biggest things, is just make sure you're doing nutrients. I'd probably say every 2 to 3 weeks probably, or even every week depending on how you see fit, how the plants are growing for you. But so far things are looking alright. I've been pruning my tomatoes off as well here, the bottom leaves, just to get some nice airflow in here. The other thing about my greenhouse here is it's still pretty hot. So right now it's 33 degrees Celsius. I like to see it a little lower than that, but when it gets full sun it's going to go up a lot hotter than that. And right now I've got the 3 fans here, outflow, and over here I've got 4 small computer fans for the inflow. That's definitely not enough, so next year I'm going to buy probably another 2 or 3 fans for inflow and 2 or 3 more fans for outflow to get some more airflow coming through. So I'll show you my solar setup quickly for it. So up on top here I've got a 100-watt solar panel. Got it on sale at Canadian Tire for 150 bucks I believe it was. Came with the charge controller, regular 500 bucks. So it was a good deal. So I couldn't turn it down. So that's it on the top there. I'd like to get another one and then possibly hook up some little like computer fans as well with heaters on them for the springtime and the fall time, just to keep things a little warmer. I'll show you inside quickly the setup for the charge controller and stuff. So here we go, this is the inside. And so this wire up here is the wire coming in from the solar panel up top here, coming down and to your charge controller here. And right now it's got 13.2 volts coming in, and with the full sun this battery is going to be charged right up full pretty quickly. Some days I come over on a cloudy day and there's 2 powers or 2 bars down. I've never seen it below 2 bars, but as soon as we get full sun it's amazing how fast this thing charges and gets those fans going. So I can definitely use a few more fans and not have any issues about losing power. So what happens next is then I got the cord coming down to the battery, charges the battery. It's a 12 volt marine battery, rechargeable one obviously, And here I've got my wires coming out to my fans. Actually, that's going to the temperature controller. So that it comes down to the temperature controller here. Oh, let's get the exposure correct here for you, so you guys. There we go. So it comes down to the charge controller. Or sorry, temperature controller, and then from there it goes off to the fans. And you can set your temperature or where you want it at. So right now I got it coming on at 16.2 degrees and shutting off at 14 degrees. And then that's the temperature there, and it's got the, right here, it's got your little diode to tell you the temperature there. And I've got another temperature, old school one here just in case it breaks down, but so far it's all good. So the biggest challenge so far I've found with the greenhouse is trying to keep it at a proper temperature. So that's why I definitely need to get some more fans in there to get some more airflow. Ideally what I should do is, I've got this one window panel here. I could probably just pop the 2 screws off here and then slide that middle panel out to get more air coming in, but I haven't quite had time to do that yet, even though it's probably a 30-second job. I just keep forgetting my screwdriver. So that's going to be the biggest thing, getting some more airflow in there. But so far I'm happy with it for the 3rd season. If you guys are growing in greenhouses, please tell me about it. If you got them on YouTube, send me the link so I can check them out. I'm always looking for new ideas on how to make my greenhouse better and how to grow better in the greenhouse and anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video on my little greenhouse and how things are growing in it. And as well, tell me what you're growing in your greenhouses. I've got two grapefruit plants as well. Actually 3. I've got one outside right now. I just gotta find him here. Right here, he's kind of buried. I know you can't really grow citrus in Canada, but I'm trying anyways. I'll pull them inside in the winter. I got 2 other ones inside. So yeah, just tell me what you're growing. Really excited to hear what you guys are doing out there. So guys, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please share my videos around and have a great day. Happy gardening, guys.